Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be an in-depth video where I'm going to show you step by step how complete beginners can start leveraging TikTok to begin earning real money through affiliate marketing. There are two powerful yet simple promotion strategies that anyone can set up even if you're just getting started on TikTok with 0 followers. And the best thing is you can get started completely free of charge. People still have no idea how much money you can be generating using these methods in just a few days. The only things that you need are 1 to 2 hours a day on TikTok, and you also need to be consistent, so don't give up after just a couple of days if you didn't see results right away. So if you want to learn how to turn your TikTok account into a consistent income stream, make sure to pay close attention to this tutorial. The very first key is identifying and selecting a profitable niche that you can create content around. Now only pick a topic that you genuinely enjoy and are passionate about. That way, the content creation process will be fun and sustainable in the long run. Stay away from jumping on random viral bandwagons if they are not closely aligned with your interests. That way you'll produce much higher quality content if you actually know and care about your niche. For example, you can choose the Make Money Online space, where you focus on creating videos related to affiliate marketing, passive income, and other online business models. Whatever it is, just choose a niche that you have some experience doing and preferably know the topic inside out. Think about your own interests and knowledge bases: fitness, cooking, gaming, fashion, relationships, and it really just keeps going on. These are all great niches with engaged audiences on TikTok. So once you've identified your niche, it's time to perform some audience research to see what kind of content is resonating and performing really well. So to do that, head over to the TikTok search bar and look up relevant hashtags and accounts related to your niche. Browse through the top videos and analyze what they're posting. Pay attention to production styles, video lengths, captions, sounds, and all other details that are trending among the top content creators in that space. This will provide you with ideas and inspiration for your own content. Now, a tip that I have is I recommend installing a free Chrome extension called Sort TikTok. This will sort any TikTok account's videos from most views to the least views. So find influencers in your space and use Sort TikTok to identify their highest performing content. Then consider recreating similar videos using your own unique personality. Leveraging proven trends and formats is useful when you're first starting out, but always add your own spin so you stand out. You don't want to be cycling the same content over and over again, so add your own unique touch. Now on to the powerful monetization strategies. The first strategy is all about personal brand building. Your goal is establishing authority and trust with your audience. Record TikTok videos showing your face and clearly explaining concepts or sharing stories related to your niche. Provide real value that helps people. Speak directly into the camera and present yourself as a knowledgeable expert in your field. Be transparent and let your personality shine through. And once you've built up over 1,000 followers, you can add affiliate or product links to your TikTok bio. I recommend using the Linktree service. Then in your videos, you can directly recommend relevant affiliate offers, products, or services that align with your brand and provide value. Since you've built authority and trust, viewers will be much more receptive to your recommendations for products that can help them. The next strategy is building a themed content compilation channel. With this approach, you don't even need to show your face at all. Find entertaining and informative short videos related to your niche and re-upload them to TikTok. Don't forget to credit the original creator. For example, you could create a money motivation theme channel by compiling clips of entrepreneurs like Gary Vee, Elon Musk, and Tony Robbins. Add strong calls to action at the end of the video, so for example, click the link in my bio for my #1 money making recommendation. And then in your bio, link them to a relevant valuable affiliate offer or product related to your theme. This allows you to monetize your audience without having to build personal authority first. The entertainment value and compilation theme attracts viewers. When it comes to finding affiliate offers, I highly recommend joining trusted networks like ClickBank, ShareASale, or Digistore24. Search your niche and find offers for products or services that deliver great value at an affordable price point. Avoid spammy or scammy products. Only promote ones that you would feel good recommending to your own friends or even family members. Choose quality over quantity. Be sure to use link shorteners like bit.ly to keep your affiliate links clean and professional looking in bios. And remember to always stay consistent. Aim to produce at least 1 to 2 new videos each and every single day. Consistency is key to growth on TikTok. Follow this blueprint, provide consistent value, and recommend only top quality offers, and the sales will eventually come. If you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful, make sure to tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again next time.